We're solving problem 24 from the AMC12B from 2023. Suppose that A, B, C, and D are positive integers satisfying all of the following relations. What is the GCD of A, B, C, and D? So we have this entire list of LCMs. Let's go with A's, B, C, and D. Let's work on the 2's. 2 to the power of W, 2 to the power of X. So, let's see here. What can we do? Well, this is strange. On these first LCMs containing A, the same variable, the same 2 cubed appears. It shows up. That implies that W is 3. So our power is 3. Now next, well, if that's 3, well, I mean, what else can we do here, right? Like, LCM with like respect to all of the other variables, we can then figure out all the other like variables here, but in the same manner. If this is now definitely 3, we know that this D, or we know that this C is equal to 0. Okay, that makes sense. Now, we can use the same methods to figure out that Z is 2 and X is equal to 1. And, well, this has to be equal to 0 because in our first equation, this is 2 to the power of 6. And we want to add up all these powers, so this is 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is 6. And now we can actually knock out some answer choices. The answer choices they give us is 30, 45, 3, 15, and 6. Since we know that the GCD is not gonna be, it's not, like, since we know that C's, like, power of 2 has a power of 0, we know that the GCD does not contain a factor of 2 in it. Therefore, we can cross out 6 and 30. Using the same method, we can try and determine the 5's. 5 to the power of W, 5 to the power of X. Oh, and I'm using the same variables because we already erased the other variables because they are no longer of use to us. And, whoa, this is strange. On all the first 3 LCMs, there's a 5 cubed. That's funny. So, this is, in the same manner, this implies that W is equal to 3. Going down the list, what is X? Well, let's see here. We find a case right here, B and C, and, well, we see a lot of stuff here. Okay, this is honestly a lot of information to process because we're looking at the 5's here. But after the B is gone from the A, it goes to a 2. So this means that X has to be equal to 2. In the same manner, Y is equal to 2. And, well, again, we count the 5's. This is 7, so 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. That is what we want, so Z is equal to 0. So that means the GCD of all A, B, C, and D cannot, like, have a factor of 5 because of D. So we can cross out 45 and 15 to get us an answer of 3.